Hello students, good morning. Students, in my last class I have started the topics related from documents required to establishing a joint stock company. In that main topic I have taught to you about memorandum of association. Okay, and I have taught to you different clauses that will be included in memorandum of association. Okay, today I will start the article of association. Memorandum of association is doctrine of outdoor management, while the articles of association is related from the doctrine of indoor management. Today is 30th May 2020 and this is your page number 1 of today's class, and topic is article of association. Remember students, in the last class I have told to you that memorandum of association is most important. Now I again told to you articles of association is also most important. Remember, okay, memorandum of association, article of association, and then after that I will start prospectus. All three topics are most important. Okay, so listen. Articles of association is related from the doctrine of outdoor management. You can also write it. It is doctrine of indoor. Memorandum of association is the outdoor management, doctrine of outdoor management, while the article of association is related from the doctrine of indoor management. It is doctrine of indoor management. This is related from the doctrine of indoor management. Okay, so students, it also states the duties, rights and powers of the managers, officers and the board of directors. It means that members is related from the indoor management. So in the articles of association will describe their duties, rights and what are the authorities of that type of the persons. In the articles of association it has been described. So you can also write it. It also states the duties, rights and powers of the managers, officers and the board of directors. Okay, it means because that is related from the इंडोर मैनेजमेंट. यानी अगर हम कोई बिजनेस को रन करा रहे हैं, कोई कंपनी को रन करा रहे हैं, सो उनका हम इंटरनल मैनेजमेंट हम कैसे रन कराएंगे, व्हाट आर द देयर ड्यूटीज, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द ड्यूटीज ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी टाइप ऑफ द मेंबर्स as per their skills and as per their knowledge. So in the article of association we have also described it. Okay, article of association is subsidiary to the memorandum of association. So you will write also articles of association is subsidiary to the memorandum of association. Okay, in case of any contradiction or conflicts between the two documents, the provision of the memorandum of association supersedes the provisions of article of association. It means in future अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई conflicts होता है, so memorandum of associations क्या है, ध्यान में रखा जाता है. It means we will follow the rules related from the memorandum of association and also we will observe the article of association also. Clear? So you can also write a public limited company may have its own articles of association. It means in each and every type of the public limited company, article of association is necessary. A public limited company, you will also write a public limited company may have its own articles of association, or it may adopt any of the 99 model articles given in table A of the Companies Act. Okay, what are the contents? As like in the memorandum of association there are the clauses, so now here that will be related from the contents of the article of association. Contents of the articles of association. There are the different contents. So look here one by one, and remember students, all the content is necessary to learn for each and every student. Okay, so first content is the amount of share capital and different classes of shares. You will write here the amount of share capital and different classes of shares. It means in the articles of association it will be written. Second point, rights of each class of shareholders. Okay. Third point, procedure for making allotment of shares. Here listen student, allotment, it means after receiving the application amount, the shareholder, the person who has applied to invest the amount of the share capital in the company, that person has submitted the KYC, means age, ID, address proof, and PAN card and bank account detail. Okay, if each and everything is correct, so after that company will allot the shares with the name of that specific investors. After that, that person is called the shareholders. So that is related from the allotment of shares. So what are the procedures? Here it will be written down in the articles of association. Fourth point, procedure of issuing share certificate. Procedure for issuing share certificates. Okay, then fifth point, procedure for transfer, forfeiture and reissue of forfeited shares. Listen students, transfer of shares I have already told to you. It means when any shareholder can easily transfer the shares to any other person. So what is the procedure? That will be telling the article of association. Forfeiture is the new word for all of you. Listen, in Hindi forfeiture को आप हिंदी में कह सकते हो जब्त करना. Listen carefully. You know about that the shareholder will pay the amount of the share capital in installment. In the company's language, it is not called the installment, it is called application, allotment, first call, second call, and final call. Okay. If any shareholder is unable to pay all the calls at the time of the demand by the company. Okay, so in that situation the company can forfeit that type of the shareholders share. कंपनी क्या करती है, इस तरह के शेयर होल्डर्स के शेयर को फॉरफीच कर लेती है, जब्त कर लेती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल हम लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू हैव परचेज्ड एनी बाइक और स्कूटी, अगर आप कोई बाइक या स्कूटी परचेज करते हो, आप ये ध्यान रखना कि हम इसे कंपनी के सेंस में नहीं ले रहे हैं. यहां पर बाइक और स्कूटी का एग्जाम्पल एग्जाम में लिख नहीं देना, हम आपको सिर्फ ये समझाने के लिए ले रहे हैं कि फॉरफीचर होता क्या है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव परचेज यानी बाइक और स्कूटी इन इंस्टॉलमेंट. आपने पहले क्या कैश डाउन पेमेंट दी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको टोटल स्कूटी की कॉस्ट प्राइस थी 70,000 रुपीज. ओके, या बाइक की कॉस्ट प्राइस आपकी टोटल 70,000 थी. ठीक, आपने कैश डाउन पेमेंट 10,000 करी, आपको वो बाइक या स्कूटी ट्रांसफर हो गई आपके नाम. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट यू विल पे द इंस्टॉलमेंट इन इक्वल इंस्टॉलमेंट. आपने क्या इसकी इंस्टॉलमेंट फिक्स कर ली, 10,000 रुपीज आप क्वार्टरली पेमेंट करोगे या मंथली पेमेंट करोगे. आपने कुछ अमाउंट फिक्स कर ली. ठीक है, आपने टोटल पेमेंट करना शुरू किया, आपने 3 या 4 इंस्टॉलमेंट की पेमेंट करी. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू हैव टोटल पेड इंक्लूडिंग अमाउंट ऑफ कैश डाउन पेमेंट ₹40,000. आपने टोटल 40,000 की पेमेंट कर दी. आपको पेमेंट करनी कितनी थी, टोटल 70,000 की. नाउ यू आर अनेबल टू पे ऑफ द रिमेनिंग बैलेंस टू द कंपनी, टू द फाइनेंसर्स. आप क्या रिमेनिंग पेमेंट को करने के लिए क्या अनेबल हो, आप पेमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हो किसी रीजन से. सो एट दैट टाइम कंपनी क्या करेगी, आपने जो एक्टिवा या स्कूटी या आपने जो बाइक परचेज करी है, कंपनी आपसे वो ले जाएगी. एंड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ दिस, कंपनी आपको कुछ भी रिटर्न नहीं करेगी. आपने 40,000 की अमाउंट की पेमेंट करी थी, बट कंपनी विल नॉट रिटर्न इवन अ सिंगल रुपी टू यू. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ द कंडीशन इज रिलेटेड फ्रॉम द फॉरफीचर. दैट टाइप ऑफ द कंडीशन इज रिलेटेड फ्रॉम द जब्त करना. आपके पैसे को उन्होंने क्या कर लिया, जब्त कर लिया एज अ रेंट, एज अ इंस्टॉलमेंट. जो भी आपने पेमेंट करी वो उनके पास, अब कंपनी के पास चली गई. कंपनी आपको सिर्फ अब क्या, उसको उसकी कोई भी अमाउंट रिटर्न नहीं करेगी. सेम सिचुएशन बेटा इन शेयर्स में भी होती है. इन द शेयर्स, इफ द एनी टाइप ऑफ द शेयर होल्डर विल नॉट पे द अमाउंट ऑफ द ईच एंड एवरी टाइप ऑफ द कॉल्स, ईच एंड एवरी टाइप ऑफ द अलॉटमेंट और कॉल्स, सो कंपनी कैन फॉरफीच दैट टाइप ऑफ द शेयर्स. जितनी आपने पेमेंट करी होगी उसको भी वो फॉरफीच कर लेगी. Okay, so that type of the situation is called forfeiture. And then after that, that shares has been reissued to any other person. उन्हीं shares को वो किसी other persons को launch कर देगी, issue कर देगी, sold कर देगी. Okay, so at that time that is called reissuance of forfeited shares. Clear students? So these types of the procedure will be mentioned in the articles of association. Then after that, 6th point, procedure for conducting meetings, voting, quorum and proxy. It means what are the procedures for that type of the reason, meeting, voting, quorum या proxy का क्या procedure रहेगा. All types of the thing will be mentioned in the article of association. Then 7th point, procedure for appointment, removal or remuneration of directors. Procedure for appointment, removal and remuneration of directors. ओके, क्या प्रोसीजर है अगर आप किसी डायरेक्टर को अपॉइंट करना चाह रहे हो, हटाना चाह रहे हो, या रेमुनरेट मींस सैलरी देना. ओके, रेमुनरेशन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ देयर वर्क. देन आफ्टर दैट 8th point, duties, powers and rights. Duties, powers and rights of directors, managers and other officers. It means what are the duties, rights of the directors, that will be mentioned in the article of association. 9th point, procedure for declaration and payments of dividend. Here new words has again come, dividend. Dividend is part of the profit. Okay, प्रॉफिट के पार्ट को आप शेयर होल्डर्स को कैसे डिक्लेयर करोगे और कितना आप पेमेंट करोगे. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ द प्रोसीजर विल बी ऑल्सो मेंशन इन द आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन. डिविडेंड्स मीन्स पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉफिट. 10th पॉइंट, प्रोसीजर रिगार्डिंग ऑल्टरेशन of share capital. Alteration of share capital. If any type of the changes has been required in the share capital, so what is the procedure? So it will be also mentioned in the article of association. Then after that, procedure regarding maintenance of financial records of the company and their audit. It means क्या प्रोसीजर होगा अकाउंटिंग बुक्स या फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड को मेंटेन करने का, एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द ऑडिटिंग. ऑडिटिंग मीन्स चेक करना. चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट आपने नाम सुना होगा. सो द वर्क ऑफ द चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट इज ऑडिटिंग. चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट का वर्क क्या होता है? सीए का वर्क क्या होता है बेटा? ऑडिट करना. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर of the financial record and auditing, that will be mentioned in the articles of association. Now 12th point, seal of the company. Okay, will be also mentioned in the articles of association. And last 13th point, procedure regarding winding up of the company. If there is any requirement to wind up the company, so what will be the procedure to wind up of the company, to exit the company, to close down the company? So it will be also mentioned in the articles of association. Students, remember again, I am telling to you, memorandum of association and articles of association are most important, okay, in this time and in future also. So please learn it. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask it. Okay, all the 13 points are mandatory to learn. So please students, learn it. Okay.